Hello, fabulous folks! Welcome back to your favorite series, Spend a Little, Get a Lot. Your go-to guide for boosting home's value with this. First up, a realtor's secret weapon, a detailed vlog of all your home improvements and shiny new appliances. Trust me, this little diary is a gold mine when it's time to list your property. Now let's talk windows. Give them a gleaming makeover with some degreaser and a trusty razor blade. Here's a pro tip straight from the window cleaning experts. Slip on some rubber gloves, grab a commercial cleaner and finish off with the newspaper for that unbeatable extra sparkle. Let's not forget your garden, it deserves some love too. Trim those overgrown branches, clear out dead foliage and watch your yard transform. It's like giving your outdoor space its very own mini makeover. And hey, got long-stemmed foxflowers? Pop into your local florist and snag some of those free boxes. They're moving magic. A little heads up, investing in high-end closet organizers might seem tempting, but it doesn't always translate into value. However, fixing essentials like a leaky roof, now that's a smart investment. There you have it, folks. Straightforward, savvy ways to elevate your home's value. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insider tips. Together, we are going to rock the home selling world. See you next time.